Hello, my lovely friends. Hope you're all doing good. So, Raksha Bandhan is coming up soon. What are your plans? What goodies are you making this year? I'm sharing with you a very unique Barfi recipe today, which you don't get in the stores. So, it has to be homemade treat. Maybe you can try this out this year. We are making bread Barfi. So if you have some slices of bread, right away after watching this video, you can make this Barfi. It's so easy to make, and the rest of the ingredients also are easily available in our kitchens. So let's make it. Bread Barfi, a very unique Barfi recipe. Do try it out this Raksha Bandhan. Ingredients list is shared in the description box. You can check it out. First, let us make the breadcrumbs. Take fresh bread. I've taken brown bread. You can use even white bread if you like. Cut it into pieces or just break it with hand. Put them in the mixer jar and grind them to a crumbly texture. Same way, you repeat with the remaining slices as well. Here we have crumbs from 7 slices of bread. Now in a heavy bottomed pan, add some ghee, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now we are going to roast these breadcrumbs. After the ghee is hot, reduce the flame to medium. Dip in the breadcrumbs and stir them continuously. This will ensure that the crumbs will get even color. They'll be roasted evenly and not get burnt. This process may take about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll see the color has changed. At this stage, add 1/4 cup of dry desiccated coconut. It's also known as coconut powder. So together, again continue stirring for 2 more minutes. You can reduce the flame now as we don't want the coconut to get burnt. Now this is done. Remove it into a plate and set it aside. Clean the pan, and in the same pan we will take 1/2 cup of sugar. Just spread it. We are going to caramelize it. Slowly it will start melting. Keep stirring it. Once the sugar melts, reduce the flame. It will start becoming brownish and you'll see the bubble formation. Now reduce the flame to low and quickly we'll add milk little by little. About 1/2 cup of milk will go into it. Immediately stir it with the spatula so that no lumps are formed. Continue adding the milk and stir it. Add cardamom powder for flavor. If you wish, you may add essence also. And here goes the khoya or mawa, about 3 tablespoons. If you don't have mawa, you can add milk powder, the same quantity, 3 tablespoons, and continue to stir to break all the lumps. You can see now the mixture is nice and smooth and free of lumps. You can add little more ghee at this stage because breadcrumbs tend to soak and absorb all the ghee and moisture quickly. Now add the roasted breadcrumb and coconut mixture. We'll saute this until it gets lumpy and then it starts leaving the sides. 1 more tablespoon of ghee can go into it. This much of ghee is required to give it a barfi-like texture. Now the mixture is ready. We'll quickly transfer it into the tray for setting. I've already lined a tray with butter paper and brushed some ghee on it. Prepare this before you start making the barfi, so that quickly you can transfer the mixture onto it as soon as it is ready. With the help of the spatula, press the mixture, smoothen it. The surface should be nice and glossy. Perfect. This quantity gives you about 12 pieces of barfi. Garnish it with some almonds and pistachio slices. Press them lightly with the spatula so that they get stuck into the barfi. Now we'll allow it to set for 3 to 4 hours. Do not cut it right away. Let it become firm. So after 4 hours, it's nice and perfect. We can remove the butter paper onto a chopping board and cut out the slices as required. Cut out the uneven edges on the side so that we get perfect squares or rectangles. You can cut it out into 12 or 15 pieces as you like. Isn't this a very unique barfi recipe? Tell me in the comment section if any of you have already tasted it before. If not, then I suggest you give it a try this Raksha Bandhan. It's always good to try out some homemade sweets, and such unique ones are really loved by everyone. Even during other festivities, you can give it a try to distribute it to your friends. Let's taste it. Perfect. It looks like mohan thal. Soft, nice, melt in the mouth texture. It really tastes awesome. And it was so easy to make also. So celebrate your Raksha Bandhan with some new barfi recipe like this one and share your feedback if you try it out. Thank you for all your love and support. Here are some more videos from the archives. Do check them out. Have a lovely Raksha Bandhan celebration.